Hello everyone. Here we are on a Saturday afternoon, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It is the 21st of December, 2019. We are flying around the house on Clearview Road again today. The weather's cold again today. It's right around the freezing point with a slight breeze blowing and a brisk nip in the air. Looks like they might have made a couple of changes down there at the house, but I don't know. Anyhow, there it is. Drop down to the comment section and you can go back and check yesterday's video out to make any comparisons. So stay warm. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.